In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get your Apollo I/O API key in just 5 minutes. If you're here, you're probably looking to supercharge your data integrations, and having that API key is a crucial step. Now, let's get started with this straightforward process. First things first, open up your web browser. You can use any browser that you're comfortable with: Chrome, Firefox, Safari, you name it. Once your browser is open, head over to the search bar and type in Apollo I/O. This will take you to the Apollo website, where all the action happens. Once you land on the Apollo website, the next step is to log in. Look for the login button, which is usually at the top right corner of the site. If you don't already have an account, you'll need to sign up. But assuming you do, go ahead and enter your login credentials to access your account dashboard. Now that you're logged in, you'll need to find the Settings option, which should be in the left-hand sidebar. Click on it. This will reveal a drop-down menu where you'll see the Integrations tab. Go ahead and click on Integrations to move forward. Once you're in the Integrations section, look for the API option. This is where you're going to establish the connection necessary to generate your key. You'll see a Connect button next to the API section. Go ahead and click on that, and you'll be directed to the API Keys page. In this new view, there will be an option to Create New Key. Click on it to start the configuration process for your new API key. Here, you might need to specify some details about the key's access levels, or what kind of data it will be accessing, depending on your needs. Be sure to tailor these configurations to suit your specific requirements. Once you have configured your API key settings, you'll find an option to Create API Key. When you click it, your key will be generated and displayed right there on the page. One very important tip here is to immediately copy this key and store it in a secure location. It could be a trusted password manager or some other secure digital storage solution. Remember, this key is sensitive information and should not be shared publicly or embedded in any client-side code, as it provides access to your Apollo I/O APIs. And there you have it, a quick and easy guide to generating your Apollo I/O API key. With this key securely stored, you're now set to start building powerful integrations. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Be sure to like and subscribe for more step-by-step guides. Happy coding!